my chronic rib dislocation since I was about 10 or 11, and for the longest time we didn't know what it was. Doctors were so rude and basically pushing us out of their offices, saying that they didn't have the time or they didn't know what it was and they didn't want to even touch me. And I'm pretty sure you were at wit's end. You would just cry with me. And it took us a while, but she actually found somebody to ask about it. She just felt it in her, and she asked somebody, and that directed us to Dr. Bagley. And what did they say?
I ran into a chiropractor at my local gym, and I kind of voiced out our concern. Could not find anybody to tend to Alex's issues. And he pulled up a list that listed special chiropractors that I never had. I never really knew that there were special chiropractors. We were told, well, I was told that there was certified biophysics doctors in Texas, and only about 6 or 9 were on the list that he highly recommended. Dr. Bagley was the closest, so we walked into his office, and lo and behold, here we are. And it was interesting from the examination and the analysis that was given to us, exactly what was going on with Alex's issues. And he hit it right on the nose with all the complications she had been enduring, not just the rib dislocations. When he analyzed everything and describing the structure and what needed to be fixed, to me personally, being a person practicing alternative care, was very impressed with the treatment that was going to be performed. And I just felt it was an answered prayer, so it became a blessing for us in this whole time that he's been seeing her and treating her. We do live quite a distance. We're from Pflugerville, and of course we have to drag Alex 3 times a week for her treatment, but it's been worth it for us. As far as the value goes, when you see your kid suffering the way you do, you're willing to do anything you can to find an answer. And I believe that the answer they gave us was definitely going to be something that would allow her to live a long and whole life, not a life of pain and suffering, which a lot of people do these days. And that was the solution that I needed. So you cannot put a value on a person's life, especially when it's your child.